Now this I can do. I can put a jump back.
Tap, 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 tap. Oh, they're in Screamo.
Yeah. What's this? You should listen to The Devil Wears Prada.
I'm gonna go play like that. Dude, I love that car.
Okay, calm down.
Stop! That's the only part I know.
I think for Screamo, you have to breathe in and scream like.
Dude, like in the very back of your throat.
Okay. I'm calm. Part's the calm part.
I'm just letting it load some more.
Why'd you turn off?
This loading?
Just push play, or he's gonna go crazy.
Don't these kitties just look so pretty? Pretty, pretty kitties. Pretty, pretty kitties. It's like a picture of his cross.
Whoa.
What did you do now?
Nothing. I pressed play.
It screams like that. I'm gonna learn how to. Wheelbarrow race. Go, go, go.
Chris, it's a cat.
Alright, Charlie.
Oh, dude.
We'll take it all.
Whatever. I think I'm contained now.
Just wait.
Uh-oh.
Chrissy, scoot over.
No, no.
Just let him go. He's gonna become the hog.
Hold on. I get a few of that sugar moments in my head.
My camera box?
Ooh, this hangers.
Yeah.
Gonna get pretty pictures of everything.
Pretty pictures of everything.
Ellen sucks at taking pictures.
Very interesting.